Live from the Fastener TV studios, it's In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thank you, Chris. I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at Fastener News Desk. It's In the News the week of January 17th, 2022, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Who's in the Fastener News headlines this week, you ask? Let's get to it. Bay Supply continues to make headlines with the announcement of their fastener industry marketplace. The fastener industry is fragmented and outdated. The industry needs a better way to leverage technology to streamline quote and order processes, says CEO Clifford Bernard. Sourcing fasteners requires an incredible amount of time and research online, and the current process just doesn't make sense for anyone in the supply chain anymore. Check out the latest about Bay Supply from Digital Commerce 360. And in acquisition news, BlackHawk Industrial Packaging and Fastening, a market-leading distributor of metalworking and other mission-critical industrial products, announced the acquisition of Pinnacle Tool Supply. Pinnacle is based in Toledo, Ohio, and has a second location in Cleveland. The acquisition significantly increases BlackHawk's operational footprint in the Ohio region, enhancing its service capabilities in a large manufacturing market. Details of the transaction were not disclosed. John Mark, president and CEO of BlackHawk Industrial, described the acquisition as significant. Over the past several years, we have worked tirelessly to increase our national exposure and are all very proud of how far we've come. This acquisition is another strategic move to extend our market presence in the region and offer our unique capabilities to serve our customers' mission-critical production needs. The addition of the Pinnacle team truly bolsters our big enough to serve, small enough to care service model. Read the full release at Fastener News Desk. And in Expo news, 2022 marks the 40th anniversary of the IFE Fastener Hall of Fame, which recognizes fastener professionals who have made significant and enduring contributions to the industrial fastener industry on a national or global scale. As part of the annual International Fastener Expo, the Hall of Fame inductees are selected from names submitted by industry folks just like you. Now is the time for you to nominate someone you think has made a difference to the industry through leadership, innovation, or education. The process is simple. Visit fastenershows.com to submit your nomination online. The deadline this year to submit nominations is July 30th. All nominations are reviewed and evaluated by the Board of Directors of the Fastener Industry Coalition, an organization comprised of representatives from 13 regional and national fastener industry nonprofit associations. Are you ready to nominate a deserving colleague today? Get more nomination info at fastenernewsdesk.com. Women in the fastener industry announced their 2022 board members. Former treasurer Taryn Goodman is now the president of the organization. Ms. Goodman is the vice president of finance at Industrial Rivet and Fastener Company. For more info, go to fastenerwomen.com. And in this week's industry events, we've got the MDM Webcast 2022 Annual Distribution Industry Outlook. Benchmark your sales and growth expectations for 2022 with MDM's annual industry forecast, review of the macroeconomic and distribution-specific trends, and the latest exclusive Baird MDM Market Pulse survey insights. Join Baird Senior Research Analyst Dave Manthe, NetSuite VP Ranga Badla, and MDM CEO Tom Gale for the data and insights on how to best navigate the conflicting market signals shaping 2022. This event is happening January 20th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Register today at mdm.com. And also this week, we've got live online training from the Fastener Training Institute, Structural Bolting, Session 17 of the Fastener Basics Like Never Before webinar series. That'll happen on Friday, January 21st, 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Pacific. Also from the Fastener Training Institute is the first Fastener Training Week of 2022. The in-person training class is scheduled for February 21st to the 25th at the Industrial Fastener Institute near Cleveland, Ohio. The Advanced Technical Training Program is offered in partnership with the Industrial Fastener Institute and is beneficial training for fastener distributors, manufacturers, and end users. Fastener Training Week offers 5 intensive days of education and plant tours as part of the FTI Certified Fastener Specialist Advanced Technical Training Program. After completing the industry training in a small group environment and passing a final exam, attendees are eligible for the Certified Fastener Specialist designation. For more info and to get registered for these events, go to fastenertraining.org. This week's episode of In the News was sponsored by Product Genius Technology. Enhance customer experience with the new view for industrial product search. Turn your sales teams into product geniuses when selling complex product categories online. Distributors and manufacturers, are you ready to provide a better digital commerce and technology and customer experiences? Is your product data ready for a great user experience? Investors, marketplaces, or e-commerce? Product Genius Technology services include data cleaning and preparation. Contact productgeniustechnology.com or call 1-800-FASTENERS to find out how to get started today. If you'd like to share your company's events or news or sponsor an upcoming episode of In the News, contact me, Lisa, at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of In the News with Fastener News Desk. Until next week, be well, be safe, and keep it fascinating.